Nexus has announced plans for major construction work on the Tyne and Wear Metro, which could lead to longer commutes across Newcastle and North Tyneside this summer. The £20 million programme will see the installation of a rail bridge over Killingworth, which will mean the metro line closures between South Gosforth and Shiremore between July and September. The work comes as part of Metro's all-change rail revamp, but will this lead to further commuter misery? Mark Patterson has more details.
All change on this busy stretch of road in South Gosforth, but not before time. The Killingworth Road Metro Bridge is set to be pulled down and replaced in one of the most extensive parts of the £350 million metro modernisation.
The bridge works that's about to commence on the 31st of July and run for 34 days is part of our £350 million asset renewal plan, or metro reinvigoration. All of that's designed to future-proof the metro for the generations of people in Tyne and Wear. The bridge behind me is over 100 years old. We'll literally be physically taking out the old bridge that you can see behind me here and bringing in specialist plants from the northeast of England and installing the new bridge in place. Now, it's a major operation. It involves significant civil engineering work, both in terms of the embankments that you can see behind me and also the bridge parapets. And this is a kind of operations that's seldom seen in the UK. But as I emphasise, it's the first time in the metro system since 1980, since the system opened, that we've undertaken a full bridge replacement.
So commuters face a summer of disruption on road and rail. This stretch of Killingworth Road will be closed for 9 months, but backs onto the Hadricks Mill roundabouts, one of the most notorious black spots in Newcastle.
We're widening the stretch of road to make it a bus lane, cycle lanes, widen the footpath to make it easier for pedestrians, to improve the flow of traffic, reduce journey times, and all of that, of course, contributes to improving air quality.
The hope is that the metro improvements will complement Newcastle City Council's plans to make this a safer place for drivers in the long run.
Once this work is finished, we'll be following on with the work of Hadricks Mill. This has been a pinch point on this main road, major route into Newcastle from North Tyneside. It's been a pinch point for many, many years, and as traffic increases, we obviously need to address the issues. Our engineers have done a lot of work to look at alternative routes. There'll be diversion signs in place, and you know, we're well prepared for the changes that are going to take place over the next few months.
We'll have a bus replacement service, and we do apologise for the inconvenience that this will cause to our customers. It's a very good bus replacement service, but we would ask them to bear in mind that this is a short-term pain, relatively speaking, for a long-term gain in terms of the 100 years worth of usage we'll get out of this kind of bridge that's been put in place.
Mark Patterson for Tyne and Wear News.